Hi guys, this is Mike from Maker Generation. Welcome for a new tutorial. So today we work on Scratch. So I show you to make a video game, but this time we focus on creating functions with blocks, and from there, we try to make a jumping game. So we see how to create a function, and how that can help us a lot. Sometimes when our activities on Scratch are becoming a bit too big, so we have some repetitive function that repetitive actions that can be really helpful to use that. Okay. So if you're new to Scratch, you go to Google and you type Scratch MIT. That should be helpful to you. And you click there on the first link here. Alright, so this is the interface for Scratch, and you're gonna need to click here, start creating. And it bring you here, so you'll be on that interface, and you have that little window. But it's not for new users. You have a couple of tips there. Again, if you're used to Scratch, you can just close it. Alright, so this is the interface. This is where we have all the instruction, but we can move and put here. And here we have a Scratchy, our little mascot here. So first of all, this is what we try to do. I keep the cat there. I want an object that moves. For that, maybe I should just get a basketball. Alright. It doesn't want to show up. I have no problem. From there, I will take underwater. Which one should I take? Maybe get that one. And I want this to be here. Okay. So you see what I try to do? We try to make that move like this, and the cat needs to jump. You see what we try to do? The cat needs to jump. Alright, let's try to code the cat first, and I explain you when we be using blocks. I like to call them a function. Make blocks. I explain you when. Alright, guys. First thing first, we go to events as usual. You click on when green flag is clicked. I go to forever loop, and I put the if is for if function there. Same thing. In if I want the cat to move when I click on the space key bar on the computer. And when this is done, I want it to do a couple of functions. Alright? I want it to move up. Alright, Alright, I think I will need to do a couple of things before, because if I put move, it will move this way. I want it to move up. So I need to point in direction, like this. Alright, and I want it to move like 50 steps. 50 steps. I want it to wait 1 second. And I want it to go down. So I put minus 50 steps. Alright, let me give it a try. Alright, I click on the keyboard now. Oh! Okay. So I don't want to look at the sky. So for that, I need to add this. Alright, let me remove that. Pointing direction. And I use this set rotation like this. Alright, let's give it another try now. Here we go. Seems to work. Minus 60. Okay, guys. Okay. So this is what I want to create a function for using the block. I show you how to do that. Okay, but before I need to have the ball go there, you know, and keep doing it. Alright, when I click on the green flag, I use the forever loop, and I want it to keep gliding toward this point. Okay, so this is what we do, glide. Alright, this is not what I want. Stop it. Alright, I want it to glide to minus 220. Okay, and maybe I want it to go back there when the game gets started. Alright, there we go. Nope, I didn't say that. Why is that minus 220? Okay, minus 220, and y should be at minus 220. Okay, no, maybe y minus 200 or minus 200. Okay, let me change it for minus 170. Still too low. Minus 140. Okay, it seems to be okay. Let's try it now. Seems to go fast, so maybe put like 2 seconds, 1.5 seconds. And here we go. And forever glide over there, and if touching this, I want it to go back to the beginning and start again. Alright, let me do that. If the position, if touching operator, if the position of x, if x position inferior, I think, sorry, to minus 220, minus 215, if x position inferior to minus 220, 250, go back to that position there. Let me make a duplicate of that. Alright. Let me jump that. Jump like that. Jump like that. Okay. It doesn't seem to be, but maybe minus 130. There should be something there, right? Here we go. Okay guys, so we have done that, but that was not really the purpose. It was yes, to create a game, but the purpose was really to create that block function. So you go here, go to my blocks, make a block, and I call it jump. Okay, jump, and I put it just right here. So now, let's say we're using that because sometimes the code is really big. Let's say we have like 15 functions, 20 instructions like that. Instead of putting all of that, and we need to use that jump, like in every character. We can just go here, grab that one, and you can put it there. So it will do everything that is inside of that. Okay, nothing less, nothing more. Let's give it a try. You see if it's working. So as you know, the code works from the top to the bottom. When it arrives there, it goes here. He will do what is there, and he comes back. Okay. Let's give it a try. Oh, he jumps, guys. Whoop, 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 There we go. Alright guys, so that will be all for today. So it was a funny video to make. I really hope you enjoyed. If that's the case, give it a like please. And don't forget to leave some comments, whatever you think can help improve that game. I already know you can have some score and other things, but don't forget to share your thoughts on that. And do share the video with your friends, family that might need it. And don't forget to subscribe guys. Alright, see you for another tutorial. Bye bye.